marami ka pang pera, ay pwede ka na ngayon mag-rally at mag-motorcade. At yung mga nagpupuli sa iyo at nagpapalakpak sa iyo, nandiyan binayaran mo. Magkarali-rali ka pagdating mo, dami nila nagpapalakpak, paano kinasundo mo sila ng bus ng Disney? At may libre pang merienda. Pagkatapos bago umuwi, binabayaran pa sila. In the last election, it was more or less 1,000 pesos per person. Is that democracy? Do you want our government to remain like this? Kaya, dahil may social media na tayo bigla, subukan nyo gamitin itong social media so that money will no longer be a factor. The person who leads the Philippines, that is why you have to educate. Educate, educate, educate. Use the social media. Educate each other, and then use your power to influence the community.